Now, when you close this bracket at this point before hitting any enter key, remember the NPV formula is always total present value of cash inflows, we deduct total present value of cash outflows. That is how you get your NPV. Now, this formula up to this point gives us the total present value of cash inflows. That's what it's giving us at this point. So you cannot leave this formula at that. We have to deduct the initial cash outlay or the present value of cash outflows so that we get our net present value. And because our initial cash outlay is appearing under year 0, and in this case, if I can use this figure of 94 to 50, yes, assuming that this is the correct initial cash outlay, I'm just saying assuming because we did not finish all of this, and I believe it might be different, but I believe we've just confirmed that we are okay up to the net cash flow. So you just deduct the initial cash outlay, and remember, look at the signs. So for the member there who was asking, Maurice, make sure if so long as you put in the correct entries, do not worry about the figure you are getting. Now here, when you're deducting the net cash, the initial investment or the initial cash outlay, because it's already given a negative and you need to deduct it, you now go ahead and add it. You add that figure here under year 0. And that figure, you are adding it because it's already given a negative. Ideally, you are subtracting. But now you are making sure you are safe with the signs. If you put a negative, it will be like you are adding the 94 to 50. That's why we put addition so that it remains negative. If that sign is confusing you, you better just say minus and you type in the total net cash outflows. You just type in the 94 to 50 manually so that you just be sure that you're not confusing any signs, that you'll be safe with that. So once we do this, then we'll be able to get our NPV, and that's how it is done.